Hey, what is going on, guys? Surgeon Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to install OBS Studio for your Windows PC. If you'd like to find What is going on, guys? Surgeon's Tech Tips. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to install OBS Studio on your computer for Windows 10. This will also work with Windows 7. And I honestly, I think it's Windows Vista on up because I don't think you can even install OBS on Windows XP, but correct me if I'm wrong. So you're just going to go to your browser. It's actually a really simple install. You just go to your browser and obviously you open it up and I don't even need to put the link in the description, but I will anyway because I know y'all are lazy. Go to the browser and type in obsproject.com. You can even open this on your phone and follow this tutorial by just typing obsproject.com. You go ahead and click Windows, and then the download's going to pop up down here. If you have Chrome or if you have Mozilla, it's going to pop up down here or up here. And if you have Microsoft Edge, it's going to pop up down here in this general location. And once it's done downloading, you can actually just either drag it to your desktop, which is what I usually do, and then I put it in an installers folder I have on a secondary drive. And then you just have the installer here, and then you can go ahead and close out of your browser. You do not need it open. Then you want the install file here. I usually right click and do run as administrator, and then the UAC is going to pop up and you can just go ahead and click yes. I usually right click just because it gives it extra permissions. I don't have to go through by closing the app and giving it more permissions if that software requires to do so. Go ahead and click next. So this is actually the part a lot of people mess up on because I've gotten multiple comments by people saying this exact thing. So all you got to do is click yes. Most computers will actually have it pre-installed because of other softwares that use Visual Studio, but all you got to do is install the 64-bit because unless you have a 32-bit processor, but not a lot of people do because I don't think they really run on 32-bit architectures anymore. Go ahead and click save. It apparently opened up to Microsoft Edge for some reason, but yeah, this is the download bar for the bottom. I'm going to click open folder. Go ahead and X out of this. So this is the file you need. Go ahead and double click it, and then it's going to pop up here. You just click install, then click yes for the UAC. Once it says setup is successful, you can go ahead and click close. And then you can actually rerun the installation file for OBS Studio. Go ahead and click next, and then it's going to pop up with the license agreement. Go ahead and click I agree. You can install it to a different drive, but I recommend you leave it on your main drive because literally the space required is 249.2 megabytes. I have 80 gigs because this is a virtual machine with 100 gigs, but it used up a little bit from other softwares. But go ahead and click next. You don't need to install the RealSense stuff. I've never actually done that, but it's just for RealSense cameras, but I'm not even sure what those are. You can install plugins if you want, but if you click that, it's going to do that, but I'm not going to do that. You can show details to see what is installing. A lot of DLL files, if you ask me. And then you can actually leave this checked up and click launch, and it should launch OBS Studio. You can either throw this away or just put it in a folder like I do. I keep all the installers so I don't have to reinstall them. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, drop a dislike. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Also, there will be a link in the description to my new channel so I can hopefully get AdSense working. And then if I can get 1,000 subscribers on there, I'll go from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I'm not going to repeat myself. Have a good day, guys.